welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing my September Boxy Charm Premium Box. Dun, dun, dun. So, if you're not familiar with this box, this is a monthly beauty box. This box is $35 a month, and you're guaranteed to get 6 full-size products. I've gotten some really great stuff. Sometimes you don't get great stuff, but I've gotten some really decent stuff from Boxy Charm, and for the most part, I am pretty happy. So we're going to get into this unboxing, but if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and I appreciate your visit. And I do weekly unboxings of different beauty and lifestyle boxes every week. So if you enjoy makeup and beauty, please watch my channel. I always have something great to unbox. I have a lot of other great videos. Please feel free to check some of those out. But for right now, we're going to get into unboxing this Boxy Charm Premium box. So let's see what's in here. So this is how it comes in the mail, guys. So they just literally put like a mailer on the back of it and send it out to you and tape it up. So I did pop the tape, so we're not wasting any time there. And when you open it up, everything is packed very well. By the way, they have the paper and bubble tape. So I'm going to take that out of the way, and I'm going to let you guys kind of see what it looks like when you first open the box. This is how it comes. Okay? So let's get into this. So this month, Boxy Charm, they send you a card every month telling you what variation you have, as well as if it's a theme. So the theme this month is BTS, which is behind the scenes. And I have variation C2109285 PM for premium. And we're just going to get into this. Let's not waste any time, people. So the first product that I'm pulling out is made by Tarte C, and this is their, what is this, Lotion. Okay, Lotion. This is a skin perfector. Okay, Lotion. So I've never used this product before. So this will be new for me. This is a 3-in-1 formula. Perfects, enhances, and primes, as well as primes and improves the look of foundation. So that's a plus, because I always do use a primer when I'm putting on my foundation. And I do like to try different ones out, because even though we get so many in these subscription boxes, they're not always a good fit for you and your skin sometimes. So it's great when you get different things to try out and you can see what you actually like or what works better for your skin. So this product here, guys, according to our card, this has a value of $32. So that's product number one. The next product I'm pulling out is made by Bloom Effects, and this is their Tulip Dew Mist, and it's fragrance free, and it's a multitasking face mist that delivers brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamin C, B3, D, and E to revitalize and refresh and energize. It's designed to be a humectant to prevent moisture loss. Okay. So guys, this is another full-size product, 2.8 ounces, and it has a retail value, according to our card here, of $34. Now, I am so glad we get this in our box, because there's never ever going to be a time I'm going to pay $38 for mist, but I get to try it out in my box, so not bad. The next product in here is the Verb Ghost Oil, and this has a value of $18. And this is a weightless hair oil, revitalizes strands from roots to end. And let's see, it's powered with moringa oil. This blend works to hydrate and fight frizz. So it's supposed to improve shine by 75%. I'm not familiar with this company or this product, so I don't know. We'll see how it works. I have no reservations one way or the other. If any of you guys ever tried this out, hit me up in the comments. Let me know how this really works. But I'm just not familiar with this product or this brand at all. So I'm not that excited about this. I think I had to choose this or something else. Or was this one of the ones they choose for us? It might have been one of the ones they choose for us, because generally I wouldn't pick this. So whatever. Moving on, our next product we have is a Fenty Beauty product. Now, I love Fenty stuff. So I'm all excited when I see Fenty by Rihanna. I believe I did pick this one. So this is the Snap Shadow Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. This does have a value of $25, and apparently when you use these palettes, they're supposed to like snap all together if you have more than one, so they stick together. I have, what colors did they send me? I was looking to see what color is. I don't see. They don't have it listed which colors. Like on the top here, they have like the colors here. I don't remember picking this. And I remember BoxyCharm did send me an email telling me they sent me something that did not match well with my shade, and they will be sending me some kind of replacement. I do believe it's for this one. So this one here, yeah, it doesn't say what this one is called, but the colors on this one are Money Mission, Takeover, Glamo Camo, Fatigue, and She Salutes, and Good Cookie. Okay. Let's see. And it does have a mirror. I'm going to just cover it up so you guys can take a look. Not too bad, but I probably wouldn't have chosen these colors. It does give off a fall vibe, I would say. I mean, these colors look very fallish looking to me. I like Fenty products. I'll probably try to work with this palette and see what I can get out of it. And it probably will come out really good anyway. So I'm not really that upset. But I think this is the product that they sent me that was not the right one that I selected, or was not my best complexion match. So here we go. And I said, not bad. So that has 6 colors in it, and we'll move on to the next one. And the next thing I have, oh, I got the Milk and Honey one, the highlighter palette. Let me get this out of here. And this is how it comes out of the packaging. Very cute. And it's a highlighter palette, guys. It is a full size. You just pull it out like so. So creamy. You don't need butter. You will be all the sugar after you milk that glow out of our silky smooth Milk and Honey highlighter. Grab your bakeware and strobe, mix, or layer in abundance. So this is how it looks. And let's pop it open. Okay. So it doesn't have any mirror or anything, but these are our colors. I think they're very pretty. And let's see. Let's do a swatch and see how they come out on me. These look like colors I could work with. At least 3 of them I should be able to work with. So let's go with one. Ooh, that is bright. Ooh, girl, scared of you. Oh, these come out really good. It's a lot of pigment in these. Oh, wow. Was not expecting it. Actually, they come out better than I thought. Hey, guys, check this out. So, I swatched all 4 colors. I thought this came out pretty good. Let me know what you think. But I think I could work with all of them. So, this will be fun to try. Yeah, they came out really, really good. So these would be really fun to try. And you know, you can always have a little fun with them and use them as eyeshadows too. So you don't have to just use them for highlighters. But nice. Nice. And we got one more product in here, guys. Oh. Okay, guys. They sent me Complex Culture. And this is the Sonic T-Bar Massager. Now, because I have Ipsy, and our Glam Bag X, I got this actually earlier this year. So this is a repeat item for me. Now, this is the kind of stuff that I am into. Don't get me wrong, because I do like all the bougie little gadgets for facials and everything like that. But it's just a little disappointing just because I've already got this product. So I know BoxyCharm was bought by Ipsy, and I guess they're kind of co-mingling some of the brands. But I know this brand was primarily, I've only seen it in Ipsy, and I believe it's an Ipsy brand product. But if you're not familiar with this, I'll go ahead and show you guys anyway what it looks like. So this is how it comes out of the box. And it's battery operated, so you put your battery down here. I don't think they put a battery in here to even show you. Let me see. No, they ain't put no battery in here, so I can't even show you what it's like when it's working. But basically you use this, it vibrates. I would say after you probably put your serums on or your moisturizers, you could kind of use this and kind of go up in the motion, kind of help move the skin in the desired places you want it to use. But that's generally how you use it. So this is a little bit disappointing. So guys, in review, this was not a makeup heavy box at all. We have 2 makeup products, which is our Milk and Honey highlighter palette, and we have the Fenty. We have this primer, which is used for skincare and as well as a base for your makeup. So I'm gonna say 3 products for makeup. And we have these other 2 products, which is a hair oil product, and we have this facial mist here, which I would consider to be more of a skincare product. I don't know how you guys feel about getting hair products. I don't mind so much with the hair products. I think it's, you know, a little bit more like a lifestyle box more than beauty, but you know, I like getting the products. But guys, let me know what you thought about this box. This was a pretty okay box to me. I mean, the dud would be our skincare device here, which is a repeat. So that's where I'm probably a little bit disappointed. But let me know what you guys thought about this box. I've seen on other YouTube channels that a lot of people were receiving this repeat product. But let me know what you thought about my box. Is there anything in here you were excited about or curious about how it works, or you want to see me do a demo on? Let me know. But I thought it was an okay box, and let me know in the comments what you thought, if you was feeling this box or it was like a no to you. So just let me know your thoughts. I love hearing from you guys. I love the feedback. And if you are new to my channel, please feel free to check out some of my other videos. I do have quite a few with some other unboxings, and I would love to have you as a part of this channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.